फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड या सो टुडे एज यू गाइस कैन सी बाय द थंबनेल वी आर गोइंग टू डू समथिंग really special and something that I haven't done before in this channel, and that is a food challenge. So yeah, we are going to do a food challenge today. It's not just a food challenge, but this is a weird combination food challenge. इस challenge में मैं जो आप लोगों ने मुझे बहुत ही खतरनाक weird food combinations दिए थे, मैं वो try करूँगी. I have given a post like this एंड मैंने आपसे कहा था कि आप लोग इसमें कमेंट कीजिए जो भी आपके वियर्ड फूड कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं, वो सारे के सारे आप वहाँ पे कमेंट कर सकते हैं. एंड यू गाइज लिटरली गेव द वाइल्डेस्ट ऑफ फूड कॉम्बिनेशन. लाइक लिटरली आई ऑल्सो ईट सम वियर्ड फूड कॉम्बिनेशंस, but these are just on another level. Somebody actually gave like milk and lemon. Like the milk is going to get ruined, like वो फट जाएगा और it's not good for your health. You guys literally, some people also gave like raw egg and something like that. What are you guys doing? Do you guys want me to die or something? Like you guys are literally giving such hard combinations. So guys, don't worry, I am going to do 2 parts of this video and I'm going to mention each and every one of you guys in this. So if you guys want part 2 of this video, then make sure to give this video 400 likes. So if this video gets 400 likes, then I will release the part 2 of this video. So yeah, now I have like literally super tasty stuff over here, samosas, and this is like cheese nuggets and just hell a lot of tasty stuff. Pray for me guys, like my digestive system has been doing great lately because I have been eating super healthy, but I don't think I'm going to eat anything healthy today. But yeah, let's just ruin my digestive system. And without talking too much, let's get started with today. So now let's start today's video with a really easy one. I don't think this is easy, but you know, on the level it is kind of easy. So the first weird combination is from Saina Kunde, and the weird combination is soda with nachos, Doritos, or any other chips dipped in it. So we need to drink soda, which I love, Sprite, not sponsored, but you know, J-Hope likes Sprite and I also love Sprite. Not just because of J-Hope, but that's another reason to love Sprite. So yeah, we need to take some Sprite and we need to dip some Doritos, nachos, or any other chips in it, and we have to drink it. Let's do that. So I have Sprite over here. Now let's open it and let's pour it. So I have this glass. This actually looks so cute. So let's pour it. I'm not going to waste a lot of Sprite because I love Sprite. There's a good amount of Sprite in this glass. You guys can see how big this glass is. So yeah. Now let's dip some Doritos. Here is Doritos. Anyways, this is my favorite Doritos flavor, which is sweet chili flavor. I actually love it so much. This is the most flavorful flavor of Doritos. Oh my god, this should be a crime. Oh my god. Let's do 2 since we want some more flavor in it. So I have mixed Dorito. Oh my god, this looks so disgusting. Already I haven't, this is the first one, and oh my god, you guys. So I have mixed everything nicely. Oh my god, this looks so disgusting. Can you guys see that? I see that. Yeah, not really good. This is only for you guys, Fantastics. Interesting. The smell is really gross. Yeah, let me eat the Doritos. It's really soggy. There's just no flavor at all. It's just so weird, but it's fun. I can have it. It was kind of like masala Sprite. If you guys want to try it, this is not that bad, to be honest. It's just tasted like masala Sprite, and yeah, you guys can try it. It's nice, but don't just eat the Doritos and Sprite separately. It's good that way. Now let's see our next combination. So our next weird food combination is from Divine Grace. I think you guys can see that. So the weird food combination is ice cream with ketchup. Like, ketchup is great with fries and stuff, but ice cream के साथ ketchup कौन खाता है यार? Like, कुछ तो तरस खा लिया होता. Now that you guys have requested it, I have to have it with ketchup. And in this we have a lot of ketchup usage, so I'm just going to take ketchup in this katori. So I'm just going to take a little bit of ketchup, like this much. And yeah, the ice cream that I chose is this cone have more cone ice cream. I don't know what happened to it, but it gets crushed or something like that in my fridge somehow. But yeah, we still have the ice cream with us, so everything's good. Happened to this thing, like, who crushed my ice cream like this? Like, literally, you guys. So this is our ice cream. What happened to it, I have no idea, but I am going to dip it in some ketchup and let's eat it. Now let's dip it in the ketchup. You guys see, I have a lot of ketchup over here. I need some power. So I'll have another bite. It's really weird, but it's not really that bad. I know, I don't know what happened, but it's really not that bad. I know, I should be disgusted, but it's not that bad. It's like 4 out of 10 bad, but I can have another bite of it. I know I sound insane, but it's not that bad. It's really not. Now it's gross. Oh my god. Now let's do the next weird combination. So now that we had something like really sweet, let's have something savory for once. So the next weird combination is from Anushka Verma, and the comment is samosa with mayonnaise. Thank you so much for that, by the way, and love you, cute D. Love you from India. I love you too. Thank you so much. And samosa and mayonnaise sounds super weird, but I don't think it would taste that bad because ये भी taste में काफी नमकीन है. It's not really sweet like those white eggless mayonnaise जो कि बहुत मीठी होती है taste में. It's kind of like savory, so it's nice. Now let's see how that combination works out. So as you guys can see, I have taken some mayonnaise and I have a very delicious samosa over here. So you guys can see this samosa. Oh my god, this looks so perfect. So I'm going to apply some mayonnaise on top. Oh my god, I don't hate it, but with samosa it is a bit, I don't know how to feel about that. Like, I have sauce over here, like sauce and samosa would taste so good. But yeah, let's see how this one tastes. Oh my god. Uh, I'm already full, like. It's really not that bad. I can't even taste the mayonnaise like at all. It's not really the best, but it's not the worst when it comes to samosa. Like, I can have another bite of this, but it's already making me sick for some reason. I don't know why. The samosas, like, literally so good. It's just amazing. Oh my god, my stomach is really not feeling good, you guys. But we are done with this one. Now let's see the next weird food combination. The next weird combination is golgappa with chocolate sauce. Like, literally, you guys.
Disgusting.
Now, it might be good, like golgappa and chocolate sauce. How bad can it be? Like, chocolate sauce usually is, good. But yeah, let's see how this one tastes like. It's from Entertainment with Navrita. So now for this one, I'm going to get a golgappa and just fill some chocolate sauce in it, because why not? And I'm taking Hershey's chocolate syrup, this one, and I have put a lot of syrup into this. I don't know, man. Guys, yeah, I have college tomorrow, and pray for me, you guys. Pray for me that I'll be alive after this. Like, I don't know why. Make sure to give this video a like, please. You have to. Let's eat this. Oh my god. What this one, 9 out of 10 worst. Like, literally, oh my god. I thought this could be good, but oh no. Don't try this one at home. This just literally sucks. This just garbage. I shouldn't say that about food, but this was literally so bad, you guys. Literally so bad. Now let's move on to our next food combination. Now our last weird food combination for this video is Oreo biscuit with ketchup. Like, you guys literally love ketchup and mayo. You guys want to add it in literally everything. Like, what? Why? Why, you guys? Why? Oreos and ketchup. You guys think that will be good? Like, that's, I don't know, maybe like ice cream and ketchup wasn't that bad. So I think Oreo and ketchup wouldn't be that bad as well. So this, oh my god, this feels like crime, you guys. I have dipped. Oh my god, that looks disgusting. You guys, why? I did this to myself, literally. I did this to myself. Anyways, let's eat this. Oh my god. I cannot. I am done, you guys. I'm done for today. I have still part 2 of this video, and in that part 2 I have like a lot of weird food combination with Maggi and stuff. So if you guys want me to post that as well, make sure to hit that like button. And yeah guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.